Hi guys, welcome back to Little Cake Lab. If you're new here, welcome to the family. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, click that notification button because you don't want to miss out on the great content that I'm making. And if you're part of the family, welcome back, and I'm back again with another one. So what are we doing today? Today you're spending the day with me. As you can see, I am all dressed up. We have like -2 degrees outside, and today we're going to the Christmas market, and I am so excited, and I am taking you along with me. As you can see, this is the outfit of the day. Nothing too serious, just basic. Shoes from Dr. Martens, jeans from Primark, the belt from Primark as well, the sweater or hoodie, I don't know, from my husband, the jacket also from my husband, this for my husband, and the bag Valentino, and this for my husband as well, the glasses Prescribed, they're from Fuman, and what else? The body and the face card for my mom and dad. So yeah, that's basically it. As you can see, I am excited and I'm going to take you along. So I'm going to deliver the cake first. I baked the cake and then I'm going to deliver it first, and then we go to the Christmas market together. So outside it's almost dark, but I'm gonna try by all means to take you with me. And I can't even move around like that much because it's so heavy. I have a lot of things that I'm wearing because outside is very cold. So guys, I'm just gonna take you out with me. Let's go.
So the sound wasn't that clear, so I had to do this voice over. So this is us on our way to deliver the cake. Look at it! I found it very pretty. It's a Spider-Man cake. And yeah, here we were done delivering the cake and on our way to the Weihnachtsmarkt or Christmas market. So just telling you how it was. And it started raining. You guys, we were like thinking, oh God, what should we do? We didn't have umbrellas, but the weather was kind to us. And then there we were just looking for parking. And you know, if you live in Stuttgart, if you live, you know. And we just arrived and looking for an elevator, and then boom, we were there, and look at how many people. You guys, we didn't expect this, but there were a lot of people. But that didn't stop us from enjoying. And then we went along and got ourselves like Kinder Punch, like punch for the kids, but it tastes so well. And then we got some fries and sausages. Here we call it pommes and currywurst. It's just the basic, but it's well known at the Christmas market. You get it. That is me enjoying. And then we had to go look at the markets what people are selling, but it was packed. You guys, you couldn't even walk properly. People were so many. We couldn't walk properly. Like, it was so hard to vlog. I really wanted to show you more, guys, but it was just not easy to vlog at all. And I was like raising my hand so that I can capture some of the things. It was just hard. And then we decided to take some walk and go to the big well because you can see better the views there. Hi. Yo, I'm crazy. And then there we were near, and we went in. If you know me, you know I'm scared of heights, but the big wheel is okay. I love the fact that it is slow, so I don't have problem with it. Then there we were up, and you can see the views, guys. I love Christmas time, like everything is lighting and everything is so bright. It's so cozy. I like it. And people are outside, and there I am. You can see my face that I was scared. But I was just trying to be a big girl. I was trying to be a big girl, and we saw many views inside. I really enjoyed this one, but like I think it cost €8 for like 3 rounds, and then we were back again down. But it's good experience because walking was really hard. I don't wanna lie. We were doing another round here, so you go up and then you go down again. But I really had so much fun, guys. This is worth just visiting and just seeing what people were doing. And it's just a fun moment. And then here we were finally done. I captured a lot of pictures. Probably I'll put them in the end. And there I am. Just had to take some pictures beside the Christmas trees because the lighting was good. And I thanked Flo in the background. And then we started walking and then just looking up for things where we could buy, because people have got interesting things that they sell at the Christmas market, food to eat. And so we were just walking and looking, okay, what can we get? But there were a lot of people, you guys, I don't know, there were a lot of people. You couldn't move properly, and we went to this market. It was so beautiful with a lot of angels. And then we wanted to buy something because it was just breathtaking. And look at that baby, like a baby angel. And then we got 2 angels. We bought them. And then we looked up also at this market. This was so good, but we didn't find anything that we really liked. And then we went on further, and my boyfriend Gary got me this. Ich liebe dich. It means I love you. It's so nice and it's so cute. I don't know if people eat these. I don't know, but this is for me too sweet. And yeah, we saw this shop with cheese and stuff, but it was pricey, and we were like, no, we're not gonna buy that. And then we went on further. We were just and then we bought glue wine. If you know this glue wine, it's red wine, but it's hot. It tastes so good. I like it. I just like it. It tastes so good, but it was hard to drink it because you'll be walking and drinking. But there were a lot of people, you guys, there were a lot of people. I repeat. Probably because it was a Saturday, there were a lot of people, so I couldn't really take so much content for a long time. I thought I was gonna come up with a 45-minute video, but we walked to a lot of places, but it was just hard to take proper videos. But you can just see how it went. We visited so many shops, and I could take videos where there were not many people. And we went there. I thought I was gonna get some mugoti for the pap for the sada, but I couldn't find a perfect one. So I was like, okay, I'll look for mugotis or the stick on Amazon. And then here we walked here, and then we were just looking for things, and then we decided to turn around, and I just like how people will be decorating everything. It looks so nice. You guys, there were a lot of markets. I don't want to lie to you. We walked a lot of them, but I couldn't take videos of all of them. It was just beautiful decorated. I wanted to play games, but there were a lot of people. And yeah, if you know this place, if you're from Stuttgart, you know this place. And then we decided to get some fruit chocolate. This day was a chocolate banana, I think. That's the name. And then we got that. Yeah, it tasted so good. So Oreos and strawberries and chocolate. And this one was coded Dubai style. We also had that. And this is us going back because it was still a lot. And we were like, let's go back home. And thank you guys for watching.